Hi guys, welcome back. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about Lotus. What's Lotus and how we can use it? Well, Lotus is a sort of one programming language which has been proposed recently to the developers for that reason that you can create semantic queries with a relational and unrelational database, which in fact contain unstructured or structured data via images or any kind of file formats like JSON, Excel, and PowerPoint. Well, with this library, you can embed your model, your search model like text embedding, as well as via GPU or on CPU. So you can develop your prototype based on these libraries like creating the cascade format with the direct pipelines. As a result, you are going to extract the semantic meaning through the database via this model. So you are using actually RAG techniques, RAG mechanism like retriever and generation, but in a cascade format that you can directly collaborate with the database to extract with the to extract your desirable formatted data based on the semantic meaning. This is the key point of Lotus. So here in this notebook I created Lotus based on two different model. One GPT proposed by OpenAI for those that have a key directly can use it. One for those that has can have a access on Llama which is proposed by Meta company and doesn't have access on OpenAI key, right? Because it's costly. Well, if you want to move forward and to know more about the Lotus, you need to go through this notebook and to make a practice on it. So basically you have to install it with a pip install Lotus. So if you want to know about Lotus more, you have to refer to Lotus documents. Lotus makes LLM powered data processing fast and easy. So if you want to get more and deep semantic operators, you need to go forward and understand how these operators are working in practice. So basically you can pass your model name and configure your text embeddings like rankers and retrieval models with a via on CPU like by using CPU you have to choose text embedding in differently, but however if you want to use a GPU you have to use different text embedding for fast processing, right? So this is all about the LAN. It's all about uh, um, yes, it's all about Lotus. So basically, Lotus is developed in this notebook comprehensively. So you need to go through each line. Firstly, what I'm doing here, I'm just going to apply the OpenAI key here. If you have a key, please add it. Then well, here there are two sections. For those that wants to use Llama, can use Llama. For those that can use OpenAI, you can use OpenAI. Then I actually use the semantic operators here to let it see. So I'm using here one small example of data, course name, and there are different titles, subcategories. Then creating one dataset via data from pandas. Then I'm going to filter it semantically, not just filter. Just notice that database functions they are filter, right? Database filter. Also via pandas there is filter, but this same filter is semantic filter, which is nothing but extracting based on condition, but semantically based on the langx library. So here we are going to also choose the top k parameters via extracting the semantic meaning based on the top k, like configuring the k parameter, and then we can use like semantic join to join them based on the semantic meaning. Semantic indexing and semantic search is another functionality that can be used here by applying the some other parameters like top k and top p. Then you can join them similarly. And semantic clustering, like it's very important for machine learning task to semantically clustering the overall meaning of the paragraph. So if you want that, if you don't know about something about one PDF file that you see first time, you can pass it here and you can create just semantic clustering of that titles which existing or which are existing on that PDF. So basically you will see the titles and their subtitles within that PDF. And the mapping, basically this mapping is working through these titles, and you can also suggest you need to make it practice via this notebook which has been proposed to you, and then aggregate them. There are also advanced features that I'm going to propose here via few-shot demonstration, and you are going to see also reasoning like chain of thought, which in fact are going to be proposed by OpenAI O1 and O1 Mini reasoning. So here we are going to use also, if for that for those that wants to really practice the reasoning, which is not available by any kind of model like in free source, open source, but only by O1 by OpenAI, you need to use here OpenAI key. For those that will be using, please post your request and your questions or your answers through the question mark. I'm here to answer and clear your doubt. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.